a testament to precision and mastery, ensuring the legacy of gold continues for generations to come.
Sector 4 bearing adjusted. Confirming loader approaching dump point. Clear the area.
Pallet 7B is...
Once refined to 99 point, ensures purity, a seamless blend.
A testament to precision and mastery, ensuring the legacy of gold continues for generations to come.
Sector 4 bearing adjusted. Confirming new coordinates now.
Received. Delta 9 localized. Proceed with bore sequence. Check the alignment on Sector 4.
It's drifting slightly. Adjust hydraulics.
Depth is approaching 8 meters.
Loader approaching dump point. Clear the area.
Copy that, Charlie. Moving the truck now.
The induction furnaces glow at over 1,000 degrees Celsius as the molten gold is carefully poured into the graphite molds.
Pallet 7B is secure. Moving to Bay 4.
Acknowledged. Clear the path.
Utilizing advanced laser technology, we precisely engrave purity marks and regulatory hallmarks, ensuring every piece meets our uncompromising standards.
Reading confirmed .001.
Verified. Moving to the next tray. Traceability record is complete.
Once refined to 99.9% purity, the finished gold is cataloged digitally before being secured deep within the vault.
The culmination of meticulous craftsmanship, resulting in jewelry of 99.9% pure gold.
Steady flow on Crucible 4.
Copy that. Rotating the mold now.
Cooling fans engaged.
Diameter reading is consistent with the specs.
Good. Keep monitoring the spooling speed on line 4.
The final assay confirms 99.9% purity. All documentation is in order.
Very good. Sign it off.
Dispatch, this is Sierra 2. Pallet secured. Repeat, pallet secured.
Copy that, Sierra 2. Clear to seal.
Manifest 72G, serial numbers verified.
Scanning complete on line 4.
The new refining process has improved our yield.
Apply even pressure. Watch the reflection carefully.
Confirmed. The count matches the manifest.
Jewelry count also verified. These charts confirm the upscale market is booming.
Adjusting the refining schedule now to match the new targets. If we look at the throughput here, we can optimize the casting stage.
I agree, the data clearly supports that adjustment.
The surface deviation is less than 2 microns.
Confirmed. It matches the CAD model perfectly.
Access confirmed. Monitor the perimeter, Bravo.
Copy that, Alpha.
The sorting accuracy is holding at 99.9%.
Good. Let's monitor the output flow for the next hour.
Analysis complete. The alloy is compliant.
Approved for production.
The foam density here seems correct for transit.
And the velvet protects the finish perfectly.
Confirmed.
It meets all our quality standards.
Easer of fast to
Seal applied, bay clear.
Confirmed, the Zurich shipment is cleared for immediate transit. Update the status to green.
Code 82. Final security clearance for export shipment.
All teams, status report. Convoy is a go.
Bravo 6, solid copy. Rolling now.
Watch the perimeter, moving out.
Ensures purity, a seamless blend of raw material and precision finishing.
Steady state achieved across the board.
Integrated quality gate checkpoints ensure 99.9%.
The randomized batch sampling process is critical, ensuring every package meets the stringent 99.9%.
The updated design demands meticulous placement.
The factory operates in perfect synchronization.
testament to precision and mastery, ensuring the legacy of gold continues for generations to come.